Nothing is impossible. The word impossible itself says, I am possible. To achieve greatness in the future, we must be willing to put that effort in now. Tomorrow's success is built on the hard work and sacrifices we make today. Stop making yourself available to those who don't make time for you, and stop running back to those who keep hurting you. Do not allow small minds to convince you that your dreams are too big. Sometimes you just have to walk away. Let people go, and let relationships end. Don't cheat. If you are not happy, just leave. How you love yourself tells how you teach others to love you. Stop being a prisoner of your past. Be the architect of your future. Sometimes there is no greater pain than bearing an untold story inside you. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Get together like brothers, but work together like strangers. You'll never achieve real success unless you like what you're doing. Being alone gives us an opportunity to reconnect with ourselves. The strongest people are not those who show strength in front of us, but those who fight battles we know nothing about. A secret is like a dove. When it leaves the hand, it takes wings. A little impatience will spoil great plans. Just trust your gut feelings. Sometimes it can save you from big troubles. See yourself not as the person you are, but as the person you are becoming. You were meant to be authentic, not flawless. Embrace your imperfections. They make you beautifully real. It's better to fix what you have than wait to get what you don't have. Small men think they are small. Great men never know they are great. Some days we fight, some days we cry, but what really matters is we are always there for each other. The present moment is all. We have to live fully or to let slip away. Embrace today, for tomorrow is never promised. The more you know yourself, the less you need others' approval. By complaining, you tell people how weak you are. If a person is constantly ignoring you, it's because he is probably not interested in talking to you. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. If a married woman makes an excuse to touch you, it means she wants you. After 34 minutes of conversation, the woman already knows if a long-term relationship is possible with the man or not.